The man them were comment on them Snapchat video them, but link up.
When me want you do boom, 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 bend down and boom, 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 cock it up and boom, boom.
So Nation, we're going to go Adrian back in the building with another episode. It seems like Sean Paul about to be on the boom rhythm produced by TJ Chrome. It's a remix with Vybz Kartel. But before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend, watch that video.
Boom, 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 bend down and boom, 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 cock it up and boom, boom, boom.
Nation could only imagine the Gaza females fans them dancing to that song by Vybz Kartel. It seems like Sean Paul going to be on that rhythm because we could see in early after that this is a snap by Vybz Kartel post on his story. It's me and Sean Paul and I starting on that song. So I don't really know what's really going on right now. We just have to wait and see. But seems promising. Sean Paul definitely on that rhythm, or it's a remix with Vybz Kartel. And tell me your thoughts are gonna be charting real soon. Now Vybz Kartel and Dexter that link up is a cause a lot of speculation in a dance. A lot of people are talking about it because from the Lisa Hype incident when Lisa Hype said Dexter the her man or husband is me and Vybz Kartel and her they kick off in the same time. You see it? So a lot of people that speculate who are going with Lisa Hype and Dexter that.
I just wrecked. That's why I say I'm from prison. Here. Yeah, I just here. I just here. No, we are. I just pass through here. I remember that. I don't even stop on here. Oh, fuck. Congratulations again. Respect you, Congratulations again for family. Hear that, sir. Greatness. God is here. My respect. Never stop. I respect my job. Yeah, man. I don't want to say nothing more. You don't have the camera.
Look for Vybz Kartel and Dexter that actually put a smile on my face to see how the artists them are come together. That means we can look out for a feature with Vybz Kartel and Dexter that I got slap. What do you think, Nation, about this? Oh, Nation, we can see where Jada Kingdom come out and say she have a message for the man them. Let's take a listen.
The man them were comment on them Snapchat video them, but link up. You're not afraid me rob no. You're not afraid to get set up. You're just ready for this link, sir. Send the address.
Nation, when you think about that, now we can see where Noah Powa and Tony Matterhorn link up on a video call. Tony Matterhorn and Noah Powa went on speaking on the Caribbean Music Awards, stating that the Caribbean Music Award make a big mess by giving Cranium an award and then calling Cranium asking back for the award, which caused a lot of speculation in a dance hall. So a lot of people are talking about it, including Tony Matterhorn and Noah Powa. Tony Matterhorn look way more mad though, because it seems like this situation really get him real pissed off. He also tell the Caribbean Music Award to go them mother and them thing this. So we are take a listen to what Tony Matterhorn and Noah Powa talking about.
We are DJ.
No. I'm just saying. I'm going to show you what them do. I am doing a category and I'm going to say
Matterhorn. I could get back to the cranium.
Well, I get to cranium.
Hold on, man. Remember, I'm kind of corrupted to come in a win, so you allow it.
Yeah, no, but me not have nothing to do with win. Noah. Win have nothing to do with it. You say if you're gonna do something, do it to the best of your ability. You understand what I'm saying? You can't give out a New York award and you don't have Noah, Polish, kid them play a New York. You have to use the man that will play.
Oh, so you say if you're gonna give up a DJ,
an international DJ award.
All right. Honestly, for that, I understand what you say. And
oh, the bumper clock matches on no in it.
Matter.
Answer the question the first.
No, hold on. Me get where you say I'm gonna pick up for them. But watch this. To be in their defense for that, they're not the only fucking award show. Me say do that bullshit. Because me see whole heap of award.
That's why me no go award show.
What I say, them a give a DJ of the year. And no disrespect to no DJ. Me see some DJ where them have in the thing more time.
I'm getting at that.
Do no more than me.
I'm getting at that. All right, Noah. Me see, you remember Irama Awards? Remember me get song for the year, new artist for the year, and DJ for the year, you know. Dirty Wine, good as. And you know, say I never go collect no award. A people collect them, Alexi collect them. Me no go award. You know why? Award is always a way of some bureaucrats try for disrespect you from your true ability.
Yeah, I mean, like award where your fans have to vote because So why if my fans them now no time to go vote right now? Why if your fans them all like Matterhorn fans them?
Are you trying to say I'm whole, nigga? but Noah,
why if your fans them all like Matterhorn fans and I don't use phone?
But me could get back on topic. They were never supposed to do that. The reason why, that's a disrespect to every level. If you don't give him already, just low it.
Cool.
Here, JR talk about senior citizen. Like, remember, Noah was a young little youth when him see me for the first time in his life. Him all know.
Yo,
them
yo,
like, JR, you feel like you ever stay there, sir?
Yo, but when them gonna give you an award for a man like Matterhorn? Because Matterhorn, you deserve. Me tell you real things to Matterhorn. I feel like enough of them people here. Them think they'll give you an award, but you see true, you just...
And I don't need it from them. Because guess what? God, I award. You see, yes, when you know what you do, and mankind know what you do, you don't need no a validation from no boy nor no girl.
Me know me never win with you, but me win. Because me have my own award. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Come back, lad. You think them can ramp with me? I ramp to some.
I send for my plaque in an hour. Show them your award.
See my award there.
All right. You know say my one they round there, my two they round there. Remember me have two of them, you know. I have two.
Them can blood clot talk to me and my award that. Remember?
All right. Noah, look on this. What do you? What me do again? What do you? A real thing, you know. Me just smile. And me just give God the glory. You know, she say, after who them give award, what do you? Them never sell copper. A silver me blood clot sell.
What you mean? Talk that shit, Matterhorn.
You don't understand?
Remember you so reach goal in a G.
But look on this. Noah, in a world where it's hard for reach even copper.
Lock it now sell 500 copy at pound I'm sang them, you know.
No, but I'm saying, out of fun and joke, Noah. You don't see it. I always keep showing them up. Remember, a silver me selling at the UK where silver means silver, you know. You have to sell the unit and on a streaming nothing, you know. Cause enough man a stream and I talk about, yo, me stream millions. Bitch, you stream millions and can't sell 20 copy. You see it? Look on the levels, though. Look on the levels, bro.
But I go lie still, Matterhorn. A long time I no come on live, you know. And I tell you the truth.
I feel hurt with them, though.
I'm 43 years old and I tell you, Matterhorn. I'm paranoid of the world, brother, because you see a man like you, you're not really, you're you call it now, your skin rough, like you don't care what people say, you don't care what people
because guess what?
And you see me, hold on now, you see
your
me,
thin
bro,
skin.
my thin skin when it comes to, no, me not thin skin, but me I tell you something, me only so I listen what me I say. Because with everything I go on cranium, and not before cranium too, but with everything I go on cranium, you see the things that when I see people are comment and I say, enough people, them dep on cranium side now, but enough people,
yeah, them, me hear all of girls, better comment and me get
well, Nation, me can understand how it two DJ them feel, Tony Matterhorn and Noah Powa at the end of the year. Me I say, cause them been feel like the Caribbean Music Award this year really messed up real bad. You see me I say, so I hope the Caribbean Music Award carry these things in the future. You see me I say, cause we can understand where they would call cranium and ask back for the award in a sense of way if it goes by vote, and that's what the system goes by. Because voting and streaming is two different things, you know what I mean? Because voting is just people voting. Streaming, how you listen to like YouTube, all the music platform and all that thing, that's where those numbers come from. That's a whole complete different level, you know what I mean? So I hope them can make these artists understand the two different things and hope they have a direction where they're going at. If they're going at voting, they goes by voting. If they're going by streaming, they goes by streaming. You know what I mean? They have to have a direction and hope the artists themselves understand this and how it works. You know what I mean?
Pourtant j'étais très belle. Is there? Yo, Eastside.